Be Wealthy and Smart, episode 1021.
Step into a world of wealth and financial freedom without budgets, boredom, or bosses on Be Wealthy and Smart. And now, here's your host, Linda P. Jones.
Welcome to Be Wealthy and Smart. I'm Linda P. Jones, America's Wealth Mentor, empowering women and men worldwide to financial freedom. On today's show, we're going to talk about the greatest return on investment for home improvement projects or home renovations. This article really got my attention because I know everyone's trying to maximize what their home could be worth, and many of you are thinking of putting your homes up for sale. Maybe not this year, but maybe in the next year or two. So here are some things that you want to think about because it's telling you what is going to give you the best return on investment per dollar that you invest and what's going to get you the most money back when you sell it. And some of these were quite surprising. This article comes to us from Yahoo Money, and it was written by Leslie Cook. And this is based on the National Association of Realtors 2022 Remodeling Impact Report. So we have hard numbers on what actually gets you the largest return on investment among common renovation projects. I bet you can't guess what the number one return on investment would be in your home. I know it was surprising to me because I'm always thinking about improving kitchens or bathrooms and how those are the things that sell houses. And while they are the things that sell houses, there's something more that gives you a bigger return and bang for your buck. But I will keep that till the very last item that we talk about. The number 11th highest return on investment was a new primary bedroom addition. That will provide a 56% return for every dollar that you spend. Number 10 is the new bathroom addition at 63% return on investment. Number 9 is the kitchen upgrade at 67% return on investment. And those two are really important because kitchens and bathrooms do sell homes because people don't want to remodel themselves. They want to move in and bring their toothbrush and not have to do anything. So if you have a kitchen and bathrooms that are already fixed up, that will help you get maximum return on investment. Number 7 is complete kitchen renovation, 75% return on investment. The other one I had just mentioned was kitchen upgrade, and that was 67%. So an upgrade could be like getting nicer appliances or new countertops or something like that, versus number 7 is the complete kitchen renovation, so everything done to the nines. Number 6 is converting an attic to a living area. That is a 75% return on investment. Number 5 is a closet renovation, 83% return on investment. And definitely people do want those nice closets. They want them redone with double hanging areas perhaps, and maybe a bigger space in the closet. Number 4 is converting a basement to a living area, 86%. And that makes sense because people want the maximum space that they can get and have all of the space in their house be usable. Number 3 is upgrade insulation. That's a 100% return on investment. So dollar for dollar, what you invest in insulation will get you $1 back. Number 2 is new wood flooring will get you 118% return on every dollar invested. And can you guess number 1? This really surprised me, but number 1 with a 147% return on investment for every dollar invested is to refinish hardwood floors. That really blew my mind. I did not see that one coming. I would have guessed kitchens all day long. But refinished hardwood floors give you 147% return for every dollar invested. It's the number one home improvement project that you can do to your home for a maximum return. The article says refinishing a home's hardwood floors will bring the largest return on investment among the most common renovation projects undertaken by homeowners since the pandemic began, according to the National Association of Realtors. Homeowners spend an estimated average of $3,400 refinishing their floors, and the project added an estimated resale value of $5,000 to the home, resulting in an eye-popping 147% return on investment. Homeowners who decided to install new flooring also saw a very high return on investment, spending an estimated $5,500 on new wood floors, but getting an estimated resale value of $6,500, or an ROI of 118%. Upgrading a home's insulation was the only other project where homeowners recovered at least 100% of the installation cost in resale value. Jessica Lautz, Director of Research for NAR, said, "For homeowners looking to sell, it is hard to deny the beauty of newly finished floors in videos and home listings. For owners planning on staying in their home, perhaps the feel is more hygienic during the pandemic. Projects that have been traditionally considered the biggest moneymakers when it comes time to sell your home, such as a complete kitchen renovation and bathroom remodels, had an estimated resale value of 75% and 71% respectively. Not bad ROIs by any means." I will post a link to this article in the show notes in case you want to read all of it and review this list of 11 items. I also have some other podcasts about renovation and what you can do to increase the value of your home, how to decide which renovations to do, things like that, on my podcast page on my website at lindapjones.com/podcasts. That's all for today. Until next time, live the good life and be wealthy and smart.
Thank you for listening to Be Wealthy and Smart with Linda P. Jones. Share the wealth and tell your family and friends about the show. Check out our website, blog, and social media for more riches at www.bewealthyandsmart.com.